Today we will do Saure Zipfel. It's directly translated sour dick. It's called sour dick. You can also say blue dick, blaue Zipfel. It's a Franconian super dish, a very nice dish from Franconia. And I'll show you now the ingredients. So, very important, the main thing are the onions and the sausages. The Nürnberger sausages are very little, not always, but the one you eat are very little. And yeah, this is the main thing. It's good to have a fond, a bouillon. It's Essig sour. Wine, this you can do later. This is for, we don't need now. We need sugar and salt. We need a little of Nelken, mustard. Normally we have standard laurel. It's standard laurel. And petersilie a little bit. Pepper. Pepper. Yeah. Okay. I hope we miss nothing. Starting cutting the onions. Tuck, 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 tuck. We unskin the. After making them naked, we cut them. Huh? So I had to go again for shopping because I said, okay, only we can do it with Wacholderbeere. I don't know the name in English. And mustard seed. Another idea I had maybe a little bit with gelbe Rübe, carrots. 7 Heute, or maybe let's do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, press them a little bit. Let it better. Spread the aroma better. Perfecto. I use the colored pepper. A little bit of the mustard. So we just burn a little bit, just for some moment. And then I think we stop it with a foam. Okay. I would say we will 250 milliliters. So 250 milliliters of acid. Too much. And about 250, 300 milliliters of water. Let's heat it a bit. Lorbeer, 4 bigger ones. We put also all the onions. And whoa, much. We need more water. So we wait now, this is about 20 minutes. Yeah, it's a bit much maybe, but the more the better. It's one of the big principles in the world. Okay, tasting. So yeah, we need salt. And also a bit more sugar. Should be okay. You need black bread, very good farmer bread. And to test, it's also good to test it like that. Delicato. Okay, now it's time to bring the sausages inside. 6 per person. 6 per person. Make sure they're all under the water. They're all diving. You directly see how gray they get, huh? That's why they call blaue Zipfel, blue dick. So we let them swim now about 20 minutes swimming, diving. They dive, not only swimming. And now time to serve. I made already the table nice. Okay. So concentration. Tam, 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 tam. Oh yeah, we have yoo-hoo. Here's the position. Oh, fantastic smell.
Oh man.
Yeah,
So
voila, voila.
good.
And here we have bread,
the bread.
and very important, fresh bread and petersil on the when it's inside. Huh? Okay, let's start. So, the bread outside, huh?
Okay.
That's it.
More soup,
Yeah,
soup,
especially
and onion.
A lot of onions.
Ah, yeah.
And then you get also a little bit of the petersilie on top.
Magst du das Wien?
Amore, grazie.
And for Eki also?
I want more soup.
You do it for, yeah.
Wait, I want more soup here, and then I give you a cube.
I think so. Good?
No, this is the sex. And sex.
Also for me.
And for you, my love.
Riecht ja wirklich gut.
Okay.
Ein bisschen Brot.